Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Smock SK23 here with me. This is a custom knife that a viewer sent along to review. Thank you, Jackie. And we're going to just do a quick review of this guy. This is not a cheap knife, as in this configuration will cost you around $700 or $800. It's made in the US. And the cool thing about this guy is that this is the compression button lock. It's the only one that I know of. And Spyderco is just doing also like a production version of this guy. This has a size of 7.25 inches long when open or 4.2 inches when closed. So it's beautifully EDCable. The handles are made out of titanium and they are anodized and stone washed to this nice finish over here. The blade is a 3-inch, a little bit over 3 inches long Wharncliffe blade with a two-tone, satin flat, satin grind, and this battle washed flats. You see also the spine has the same finish, so very, very good looking finish right over here. The sound it makes is pretty nice. It's very solid but contained, and when the blade drops, you have this nice, it's like a tinkle, it's very, very cool. It's not loud, it's pleasant to listen to. And the bounce, if you let it bounce, it's gonna be nice. You can even do like this, so it's not gonna bounce. So you just have to time nicely your action on the button lock. The weight, it's a little bit substantial for a little guy because it's 4.5 inches. The pocket clip is really functional. It's a design that I'm not fond of. I prefer something more like elaborated, but this is very functional. It's like the Sebenza clip, it works but doesn't look great to me. The fit and finish is pretty nice on this one. You have very nice grip. You can choke it up with this beautiful finger choil right up here, and you really don't have any hot spots whatsoever. So this jimping is going to be quite functional, if you need to do some precision carve work or just to scrape some stuff. And overall, I mean, the highlight of this guy is just the action. This is fantastic. You can just do play with this guy all day long, and it's gonna be just giving you lots of satisfaction. So it's fast, even if the detent is a little bit on the light side, but it's fast and smooth because it's running on bearings, and it's an overall pretty cool EDC knife. So there you have it. If you like this guy, you can check the full-length review, but thanks for watching and stay tuned.